Welcome to the NDS Video Blog series. We're going to talk about instant or rapid or point of collection urine drug testing. So it has lots of different names. People call it different things. Quick testing. Stay tuned. We're going to talk all about point of collection instant drug testing with urine. Hi, I'm Joe Reilly. I'm here today to talk about instant drug testing. It has lots of different names that different people call it. It's where you collect urine and you get an instant negative result. Or if it's not negative, it has to go out to the lab for confirmation testing and then review by a medical review officer. Some people call it instant testing. Some people call it point of collection testing or POCT. Some people call it a quick test. Some people call it a rapid test. It's all the same thing. We get an instant or within 5 minutes, we get a negative drug test result. If it's not negative, it needs to go out to the laboratory for confirmation testing and then review by a medical review officer to get a final verified either positive or negative result. So this is one of the products that we sell here at National Drug Screening for instant drug testing. This is a urine cup. You collect urine in the cup. You check the temperature, make sure it's within temperature range. You wait about 5 minutes and you will be able to peel off this front cover here and read your results. This product comes in kind of the standard 5-panel drug test, including Oxycontin, as well as the 10-panel drug test, including Oxycontin. So we have folks that buy these cups from us to do self-collections. Some employers might want to do their own collections. We have clinics that do rapid testing in their clinic. We have mobile drug testers that do rapid drug testing, going out doing it mobile, on-site collecting at the employer's place of business. Instant drug testing can only be used for non-DOT. Instant drug testing cannot be used for DOT, under no circumstances for DOT. So it's kind of a self-cup right here. You collect the urine, okay? Tells you how much you need. It's about 30 milliliters. It gives you a temperature strip to read the temperature. You wait 5 minutes, you peel off, and you can read the result. Each one of these strips right here, you'll see a picture on the screen also, is the drug, and you'll see a red line indicator that shows that it's negative, or the absence of a red line that shows that it's not negative. You will fill out a custody and control form when you have to send it to the lab. When you don't have to send it to the lab, you're not going to fill out a custody and control form. We can provide you an instant drug test results form, or you could use any type of form that you would like to use to record the negative result. But if it's non-negative, you have to use a custody and control form provided by the laboratory to send in with the specimen to go to the lab. You will seal up that specimen with a tamper-evident seal, okay? And that's going to go over the cup, not to cover up any of the results. And the donor's going to initial, and you're going to date that seal, and it's going to go with the completed custody and control form out to the laboratory. The top copy of the form is going to go with the specimen to the lab. You then have an MRO copy that gets sent to the medical review officer. The collector copy, the employer gets a copy, and the donor gets a copy. So if you're an employer, you want to do your own instant drug testing, we can provide this to you. Comes in boxes of 25. If you're a clinic or a mobile drug tester, we can provide these to you. Anybody that wants to sell instant drug testing as part of their practice, urgent care centers may want to do this, occupational health centers, instant testing products. These are made by Premier Biotech, a leading company for instant drug testing. Our laboratory confirmations are done by LabCorp, which is a major SAMHSA certified lab. You're going to indicate on the form which one of the drugs tested non-negative, and you're going to send it into the lab for confirmation. If it was negative, and that's the big benefit here, if it was negative, you're done. You can discard this. You record the negative however you want to record it. If it's an applicant, you put them to work. If it's post-accident, you put them back to work. If it's reasonable suspicion, you put them back to work. So the big benefit is you get quick results. You get instant, same-day results, but only if it's negative. If it's non-negative, it has to go out to the laboratory for confirmation testing and then review by a medical review officer. Comes packaged up. You don't open the package until you're ready to collect the urine. Has an expiration date on it. Okay. This particular expiration date is 2025. So you have a year. Okay. So don't buy 300 of them if you're only going to use a couple a month. Just buy 25 of them to get started, because you don't want to get to the point where they're expired. You usually have about a year on them when you purchase them. Okay. If for any reason you purchase them and they expire next month, you could send them back and get some fresh ones. So instant drug testing for non-DOT only, been around for many years. Lots of people do them. If you're an employer, we can get them for you. If you're a clinic, we can get them for you. If you're a mobile drug tester, we can get them for you. Occupational Health Center, Urgent Care Center, instant drug testing available from National Drug Screening. Thanks for joining me. Check back often to our blog on our website for lots of great information, nationaldrugscreening.com.